Welcome to Maths. Today we are giving an example where one has to use the Pythagoras theorem to solve a given problem. Read the problem statement. Two aircrafts leave an airfield at the same time. One travels due north at an average speed of 300 km per hour and the other due west at an average speed of 220 km per hour. Calculate their distance apart after 4 hours. Represent the problem statement graphically. Then extract the known values or quantities from the problem statement. We know that the aircraft traveling north has the velocity of 300 km per hour, and the aircraft traveling west has the velocity of 220 km per hour. Now the distance traveled is equal to velocity of the aircraft multiplied by the time traveled. We can see from the graphical representation that a 90-degree triangle is formed, also called a right-angled triangle. The aircraft traveling north is calculated to have traveled 1,200 kilometers and the aircraft traveling west is calculated to have traveled 880 kilometers. We can then use the Pythagoras theorem, which states that the hypotenuse squared of a right-angled triangle is equal to the adjacent squared plus the opposite squared. In this case, the graphical representation shows the hypotenuse as BC, the adjacent as AC and the opposite as AB. Therefore, BC squared equals AB squared plus AC squared, which then gives BC squared as 1,488.09 kilometers, which is the distance between the two aircrafts after each has traveled for 4 hours with their respective velocities. Thank you. Please subscribe.